Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how the evaluation works in Torres board game. The score is counted after each phase. For each castle that you have at least one of your knights on, you get points. Each castle is evaluated only once per player, even if the player has multiple knights on the same castle. Only the knight that is on the highest level counts. So, as you can see, on this big castle, this king's castle, I have two blue knights, and only this one on the higher level will be counted. Evaluation takes place in a clockwise direction and begin the evaluation with the start player. And now I'm gonna tell you how to count score. And to count the score, multiply the level that the knight is on by the base area of the castle. So, for the blue player, I'm gonna calculate the score, and let's start with this castle. As you can see, the base is 4, and the level on which the knight stands on is 3. So if that's level 3, that's gonna be 4 times 3, and that's gonna be equal to 12. So I can move it to 12 on the scoring track. Then for that castle, as you can see, the base is 1, 2, 3, 6, and it stands on level 1, so it's gonna be 6 times 1. So I'm gonna just add it to the 12, and then it moves to 18. And now let's calculate the biggest castle. And as you can see, I have 2 knights on it, but only the one on the higher level counts. So let's first count how big the base is. The base is 5 plus another 5 plus another 5, so that's 15. And it's on the level 2, so that's gonna be 15 times 2 equals to 30. So let's add 30 to the 18, and that's gonna be 48. So I can move the blue player to 48. Then I can calculate the score for this purple player, and that's gonna be for this small castle 2 times 1, so it moves to 2. Then for this castle it's gonna be 6 times 3, so that's 18. 2 plus 18 it equals to 20. And then for this big castle it's gonna be 3 times 15, and 3 times 15 is 45, so that's gonna be 45 plus 20, that's already here, so it's gonna be 65. I can move my player to 65. And for the green one, it's gonna be 15 for the first level of the 15 base castle, then 1 for this small castle, so it lands on 16, and then it's gonna be also 6 for that castle base of 3, and it stands on level 2. So it's gonna be 22. And also there is a king's bonus. The bonus is added if one of your knights stands on a castle when the king stands as well. And as you can see, all of my knights, all these 3 knights are 3 colors that are standing on the king's castle. And for the end of first phase, there is 5 bonus points if one of the knight is on the first level of the king's castle. So let's see if there's any knight on the first level. And as you can see, I have blue and green knight. So if that was the first phase, the blue and the green would get 5 bonus points. If that's the second phase, then you need to check if there's a knight on the second level of the king's castle. And as you can see, there is a blue knight, and they would get 10 bonus points. And at the end of the phase 3, which I'm currently on, there is 15 bonus points if the knight is on the third level of the king's castle. And as you can see, my purple knight is on the third level, so they get 15 bonus points, and that means the purple one lands on 80. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.